Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live. So I talked to you guys about AEY and I've been doing more digging. ADDvantage Technology reports 101% increase in fiscal 2019 full year revenue, sales of 55.1 million, up 101%. These guys are getting into 5G and they're selling off their business that used to be in cable television services. So I did a video earlier telling you that they were in cable television services. They're actually selling that business. Reports include 1.8 million in inventory related and acquisition integration charges. Excluding these charges, the company achieved its second consecutive quarter of positive adjusted EBITDA. This is very bullish. Loss from continuing operations narrowed 1.8 million to 4 million. Exceptional growth in revenue and EBITDA of Nave Communications. Completed the move into new, larger, and more efficient facility for Triton Datacom. Completed the move into a acquired and integrated Fulton Technologies, enabling entry into the wireless communications services business, which is poised for significant growth with the advent of 5G technology. Completed divestiture of cable TV business and related real estate assets for 14.2 million. So they sold that business. They're no longer in the cable TV and real estate assets business. I had to do some more digging, but these guys are now in 5G. 5G? 5G's hot. It's true. Appointed John Shelnut to board of directors as an independent director. These guys look good. Good things are coming. Good things are happening. Stay tuned. I'm going to continue to dig deeper. The more I find, the more I like. Something about these guys. 5G's hot. These guys are getting into the 5G business. Stay tuned. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. AEY. Let me know what you guys think about this. ADDvantage Technology reports 101% increase in fiscal 2019 full year revenue. Stay tuned. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace.